Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install Dragon Ball GEKISHIN SQUADRA on your iPhone or iPad step by step. Let's get started. First, unlock your device and open the App Store. This is where you'll find and download the game. Tap on the Search tab at the bottom right. In the search bar, type Dragon Ball GEKISHIN SQUADRA. Press the search button. From the search results, find Dragon Ball GEKISHIN SQUADRA. Tap Get. Confirm the download using your Face ID, Touch ID, or the side button. Wait for the installation. The game will now download and install automatically. Once it's finished, tap Open. Now you're ready to play. The game will launch, and you can start playing Dragon Ball GEKISHIN SQUADRA right away on your iPhone or iPad. And that's it! Super simple and fast. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment letting me know you got the game running. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.